Hi, welcome again. Claude Donati here from NeXus RV. We're sitting here in our camping simulation facility. After we build 100% of our units, we take it to a separate building, which is here, and we do a unbelievable 100-point review of the unit. Outlets, plumbing, check-in slides, test drive, water test, and we do it independent from the manufacturing facility. So you know we're trying to really measure and deliver some of the best product out in the marketplace. We're the only ones that are doing 100% camping simulation. Today, I'm really proud to show you a really cool, hip little unit. It's called a Phantom 25P. The Phantom 25P is a traditional Class C, which means it has that large overhead sleeping area, and we are a wide body construction and we're extra deep, so it can sleep two big adults up there and sleep them in comfort. So our cab over area is one of the largest in the industry. The front of our cab has a pre-molded fiberglass front cap that wraps around the sides and also goes on top of the roof. It gives you a little extra protection against any kind of leakage that occurs up in that area. The great thing about our product is that we build them on E350 and E450 units made by Ford Motor Company, and they're Ford V10s. They have 310 horsepower. The transmission is a Ford transmission. This unit gets about 8 to 10 miles a gallon, depending on how you drive and where you drive. So you can be assured that we really give you the best Ford, our best chassis that you can get. Power locks and windows are standards. Power driver's seat is standard. Something everyone else you got to really watch out for, they do not do. On all our units that are Class C's, we have a breakaway mirror. So if somebody runs through a parking lot, you can be assured you can put your mirror back into position. Large heads, and so you can really get a view of what's going on around you. We have 16-inch tires here, aluminum running boards, so you can see some of the best front ends available in a traditional Class C. The greatest thing about our product is our construction. Couple things we do that no one else is doing. We have a high-strength, low-alloy steel frame cage throughout the entire unit. It's 20 gauge. It gives you 72% more strength than the traditional aluminum used by everyone else. No one else is using all steel frame caging on their unit. The other thing we do that no one else does, our sidewalls, our roof, and our floors are vacuum bond laminated. And we don't use any wood product in our sidewall or our roof. Our exterior is a super slick exterior sidewall with a composite substrate, block foam insulation, framed in that high-strength, low-alloy steel. The interior wall board is also a composite material, so no wood products at all. Higher R factors, no mold, limited formaldehyde. It's going to give you the benefit of driving down the road and not feeling that wind resistance that you get when you're in an aluminum lightweight vehicle that gets you white-knuckled as you're trying to make sure that you don't go off the road. Our roof, unmatched, seamless fiberglass roof. It has a wraparound fiberglass roof, and underneath that is a composite material, high-density block foam insulation with an HVAC duct system, all vacuum bond laminated together to give you a diesel-level quality roof in a Class C. Unmatched, unheard of. Check out that construction. 5 inches in the center, 2 3/4 on the side. As we go further back here, you have an entry door, a handle. We have a 6-gallon water heater, and all our windows, we use an extra automotive window seal. We spend the extra $100 to make sure your windows aren't going to squeak or aren't going to leak as you're going down the road. Let's check out further back. Here we are on the back side of the Phantom 25P. This is still the passenger side. We have a large patio area because there's no slide on this side of the unit. You have a large electric awning that opens up, and you have unbelievable patio space for a 25-foot unit. In addition to that, an exclusive that we think we have is all our holding tanks. Black and gray tanks are enclosed. Your fresh water is above the floor line. For a 25-footer to have that much available and enclosed holding tanks is really a remarkable thing. Now let's check out the rear here. LED lighting, a little safer driving down the road. You hit your brakes, people are going to see it. LED lighting makes them very bright, very vibrant, and that will help make sure your family's safe. We have a 4x4 steel bumper. We wrap it in a nice diamond plate cover, but it is one of the safest bumpers out that will protect you in the event something happens. This hitch is a 7,500-pound hitch that will make it easy for you to tow about any vehicle you want to tow. We have an optional ladder. It's not standard, but it is optional. And in the back, we have the eyebrow for the transition from the roof to the rear wall. And then we have the backup camera that can be adjusted to look at your freight or treat it like your rear view mirror. It's a really cool back end. It gives you everything you want to have. Let's check out the driver's side. So here we are on the driver's side of the 25P. This unit is a full wall slide 25-footer. Dave's going to be showing you the inside of this floor plan. It'll knock your socks off. But the great thing about this is, again, enclosed holding tank. You got a nice dump station here with a lot of room. You got a little bit of pass-through for skis or fishing poles. You have the Anderson valve. You have an outside shower. You have your single gas fill on the driver's side. You have a 4,000 watt Onan generator available, so you can boondock and not have to worry about anything. It's hooked into your fuel station, or your gas fuel. So if you run below a quarter of a tank, we won't let you continue to run your generator and get stranded. And then we also have a pull-out, slide-out battery tray for you and your convenience. I gotta tell you, 25-footer, full of features, full of amenities. Best floor plan for those people that don't want to go over 28 feet. This gives you everything with the full wall slide, walk around bed, but you're going to see it in a minute from my partner Dave. Take it away, Dave.
Hello folks, Dave Middleton here, and very excited to show you this floor plan. This was a floor plan that people ask over and over. I want a small class C, but I want a down walk around bed. We designed it, we introduced it to the market with a full wall slide. It is 25 feet with a walk around bed, and I'll show you that after I start from the front and go to the back. I know others have imitated this and just slid out the bed, but we wanted to do a full wall slide so that you have total usable space from front to back on a small coach. As we start up front, again, we're on the Ford cutaway chassis. My partner Claude told you about that. On the outside, it's the #1 cutaway. And with that being said, we have the in-dash stereo system, touchscreen. Over on the left, we have the heated remote mirrors. So everything is at a touch of a finger as you're traveling for you to have ease of use. When you go to the front, you have the cab over bunk. You can also do a cab over entertainment center where you have storage and a television. But this one, again, for a smaller coach, people love the cab over for the sleeping capability. Over here to the other side above the passenger, you have your television that's on a swing arm, so you can just release it, adjust it, so you can see it from anywhere in the living area. Again, on a small coach, we truly try and maximize your storage. Coming across the top, we have a storage. You've got a nice layout here in the kitchen with a flip-up countertop for more storage, a bank of storage underneath, and then again, a lot of times we get reviews, rave reviews, because we're using a Frigidaire full-size convection microwave. Nice thing about that is this one's a regular microwave. You can option for the convection, but you can actually use it and cook in it. Stovetop, we've gone to Dometic stainless steel with a glass top, which is nice instead of the metal where you hear all the rattles. That's an upgrade as well. Again, nice kitchen layout. As you pan over here, you can see the dinette area. You can also do a sofa with a pedestal table in front. A lot of people like the dinette because, again, it'll break down to a bed and then you've got more sleeping. On the side, we've got a window so you can get some ventilation coming in, and then a nice large window so that when you're out camping, you can look at the nice views. And above, again, more storage. This has the upgraded dinette booth in it. So as you can see with this, it's got a lock, dual metal drawer glide, plenty of storage. This is quite a bit upgrade from what you typically find in this price point. This is Paul seating, and it's all steel framing. As you come around to the back, you can see we've done a nice job with adding a wardrobe, pantry, 4 drawers, along the bottom 2 more drawers, and then you can see we've got the bedroom that you just walk right into. So as you come around, we took the curtain off that closes off for privacy so we could shoot the video. But with that being said, you do have privacy. But it's a walk around, 25 foot. As you can see, I can get around really easy. It's prepped for a TV in case you need a TV in the bedroom. But again, this gives you a down walk around bed and a 25 foot with the storage, with the windows in the side of the slide, so you have plenty of cross ventilation as well. Last thing I want to point out is the bathroom. We've packed a lot into a 25 foot and it works out really well. As you can see, I can get right into the shower, porcelain commode. We put storage above the toilet. We put a window in here so it doesn't feel so claustrophobic. And then again, nice countertop space, and his and hers medicine cabinet. Again, folks, this is the Phantom 25P Class C. It's a floor plan we designed since we come out with it. Every other manufacturer is copying it, so we take that as a compliment. But we really work hard during your business. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us or call your local dealer, and we'll be here to take care of you. Thank you.